The only way to deal with an unfree world is to become so absolutely free that your very existence is an act of rebellion. Autumn is a second spring when every leaf is a flower. A man without ethics is a wild beast loosed upon this world. Beauty is unbearable, drives us to despair, offering us for a minute the glimpse of an eternity that we should like to stretch out over the whole of time. Those who lack the courage will always find a philosophy to justify it. All great deeds and all great thoughts have a ridiculous beginning. Great works are often born on a street corner or in a restaurant's revolving door. To know oneself, one should assert oneself. Truth, like light, blinds. Falsehood, on the contrary, is a beautiful twilight that enhances every object. The modern mind is in complete disarray. Knowledge has stretched itself to the point where neither the world nor our intelligence can find any foothold. It is a fact that we are suffering from nihilism. Each generation doubtless feels called upon to reform the world. Mine knows that it will not reform it, but its task is perhaps even greater. It consists in preventing the world from destroying itself. Nothing is more despicable than respect based on fear. The struggle itself towards the heights is enough to fill a man's heart. One must imagine Sisyphus happy. You cannot create experience. You must undergo it. Integrity has no need of rules. Every act of rebellion expresses a nostalgia for innocence and an appeal to the essence of being. Alas, after a certain age, every man is responsible for his face. The welfare of the people, in particular, has always been the alibi of tyrants. A free press can of course be good or bad, but most certainly without freedom, the press will never be anything but bad. We always deceive ourselves twice about the people we love, first to their advantage, then to their disadvantage. As a remedy to life in society, I would suggest the big city. Nowadays, it is the only desert within our means. A guilty conscience needs to confess. A work of art is a confession. Blessed are the hearts that can bend, they shall never be broken. Nobody realizes that some people expend tremendous energy merely to be normal. You will never be happy if you continue to search for what happiness consists of. You will never live if you are looking for the meaning of life. Freedom is nothing but a chance to be better. Without culture and the relative freedom it implies, society, even when perfect, is but a jungle. This is why an authentic creation is a gift to the future. Charm is a way of getting the answer yes without asking a clear question. The evil that is in the world almost always comes of ignorance, and good intentions may do as much harm as malevolence if they lack understanding. I know of only one duty, and that is to love. Some people talk in their sleep. Lecturers talk while other people sleep. We continue to shape our personality all our life. If we knew ourselves perfectly, we should die. Your success and happiness are forgiven you only if you generously consent to share them. In order to understand the world, one has to turn away from it on occasion. Heroism is accessible, happiness is more difficult.